Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning all. We are from group 9 and we want to show you our presentation about analyze film. And the title is Something the Lord Made. But first of all, we will introduce the member of the group with myself, Mila Puspasari.
I am Festi Alvin Hidayah.
And I am Lala Fadila Nuraini.
And I am Yasika Tetia Wulandari.
And the first presentation will be delivered by my friend, Lala Fadila. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Mila. Summary of the movie. A carpenter named Vivian Thomas has a hobby in the field of medicine but can't continue his schooling because of financial problems. Vivian also got a job at Hopkins University. Vivian works as a janitor in Dr. Alfred Belloc laboratory. He is surgeon. At first, the doctor saw Vivian's interest in medicine. Eventually, Vivian was given a lab coat to help him with his research. Vivian was a black citizen who at that time was still experiencing racism. One day, Dr. Belloc gets a case that is baby blues syndrome. Vivian also helped. By experimenting with drugs, Vivian finally managed to find the right way to handle the blue baby, namely by severing the blood vessels and reconnecting them by saving them. Dr. Belloc finally decided to operate on the baby. It turns out that the method that Vivian found failed the operation. The dog that had previously been the test subject turned out to be dead. The stitches in his fins fell off as the dog got older. In the end, the method was not used and they looked for other methods. Then Vivian found another way and it was time for the baby to operate. Then the baby recovered and was safe. And finally, everyone knows that Dr. Belloc was very instrumental in handling the case. His name, photo, and article always have Dr. Belloc, but Vivian's name wasn't there. Various awards were only obtained by Dr. Belloc as the most meritorious person. Ironically, in each of his speeches, Dr. Belloc didn't even mention Vivian's name. Vivian's heart was very sad and Vivian decided to go and find another job. But then Vivian decided to return to work with Dr. Belloc, reason that Vivian felt this was the place for him. No matter what his salary, whatever other people's opinion, according to him, that's what he likes. For the cat Vivian worked there until his skill increased. Then Dr. Black also did. And finally, thanks to her perseverance and century, Vivian was finally recognized not as medical doctor, but as an honorary doctor of laws because of the limitation of formalities. And the next presentation will be delivered by my friend for Festi. Time is yours. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Lala. The next, the most interesting part based on the movie. Vivian's attitude against racism is shown by continuing to uphold the attitude of tolerance and proving it by action, not just words. And Vivian's efforts to find solutions to community problems, such as solution for heart disease surgery. Based on the example of Dr. Alfred Blalock and Vivian Thomas continue to research to find solution to this heart surgery problem. They continue to struggle and are optimistic that this can be achieved. And Vivian has the burden of having to fight racism. Racism did not dampen Vivian's enthusiasm to continue to help Dr. Alfred Blalock. The climax was when they managed to find a solution and managed to operate on a baby who had the blue syndrome. And the next presentation will be delivered by my friend. For Jessica, time is yours. Thank you.
Thank you, Festi. Medical staff in treating patients. The film Something the Lord Made explains the professionals of medical staff in treating patients. In the film, it is told that there is a case of baby blue syndrome, and a way has been found to deal with it. The film tells that the medical staff is trying to research to determine how to handle the baby blue syndrome. Case even thought there has not been a way to handle the case because carrying the patient is the responsibility of medical staff. Next. Communication between patient and medical staff in the film and in the Indonesian context. There is a communication equation described in the film Something the Lord Made with communication in Indonesia. The existence of nursing documentation of nursing care to inform what action must be taken to the patient intended for the next nurse who will treat the patient.
So the conclusion of our presentation is we must remain kind even though we are not considered by others because of our differences. We also have to be enthusiastic even though it is not appreciated by others and what we want has not been achieved. We must also continue to strive to achieve our goals. And the suggestion is we must not be selfish and as a medical staff must put the interest of client above our own interests. That's all from our presentation. If we have any mistakes, please forgive us. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.